So, happy Monday for my side of things. I don't know if for you out there it might be a different day or hour or a day ahead of us. Anyways, I'm here in the Vancouver, BC, Canada Pacific time anyway. So it's my early Monday morning, having my morning coffee, just getting collage made up here with the eastbound valley job just about ready to soon to depart here with the 384 leading the 385 with a GP9 119 engine. It's probably going to be out to the Burke Newton area or out in the Langley section there for a little bit of switching duty, or some perhaps are going back out to the Chilliwack Huntington area. So anyways, nice little mixed compilation, a little bit, and then two pictures of the old BC Hydro Railway in black and white. So I just added in again just in case someone may have missed it, and it was near the end of the other reels I made. Okay, this is it, and enjoy, be safe out there.